In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x80080005. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, I want you to reset the Microsoft Store cache. How we can do that? Press Windows key and R key together, and in this small window, type for wsreset.exe. Once you have typed that, click on the OK button. And then please wait until this procedure would be finished. And once you have done it, I want you to restart your computer and check if the error has been fixed. But if not, then let's move on to the next solution. That is to reset the Microsoft Store application. So navigate here at the button search bar, type for the store. Then wait until you can see a best match, which is the Microsoft Store. Please make a right click and then click on App Settings. Now here at the app settings, please scroll down and click for reset. Click on reset once again and you can now start the procedure the moment you click on it. All you need to do is you need to wait until the process would be finished. And once you have done it, restart your device and there you have it, okay? So that's it. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.